Good morning, 2023. This Muscle Car Corner just found another kind of cool piece. It's a 71 Dodge pickup. You don't see too many of these. This thing's got original paint on it. It's really in nice condition. It's even got the original John Ross in Greer, South Carolina. It's a local truck. These things really don't rust. Truck's in beautiful condition. It's a great day out today. Just thought I would share this vehicle with you. I'm a Dodge fan, so I gotta stop and look at it. I was never big on these pickup trucks, but it's still a cool piece. I'd like to have this thing restored, cruising around, put a 440 in it, big cam, some headers. Maybe just clear cut it with the patina that's on it right now. It'd be cool. Finding parts for this vehicle is going to be hard to do. It's going to be a lot. Let's look at the interior real quick. Plain Janer. Pretty hard to find these vehicles with that kind of mileage on it. Not positive if that's 127. Probably is. Take a look, see if I can get this hood open. Oh yeah, good old 318. It was Dodge's workhorse for many years for the small block. Motor's been around for a long time. Joe Jack instructions. I don't know, it wouldn't take a lot to really get this thing back on the road. It'd be a cool piece. I like that blue. All right, you'd be deciding factor. Would you restore this truck or keep it the way it is and get the drive line right and just drive it? Gotta bring these old vehicles back, man, somehow or another.